Are you a fresh graduate searching job in Naukri or LinkedIn? So here you can see there are lots of jobs listed and see these are job available, but all the jobs is not matched with your profile. So if you want to connect Naukri to Claude so that you can make your job searching more easier, how you can do that. So in this video, I will show you how to connect Naukri to Claude so that you can make your job searching easier and fast. So for this, at first you will take a new tab, simply search Claude Chrome extension. Then you will go to Chrome Web Store. You need to add Claude extension to the Chrome. So we will simply click add to Chrome and add extension. Okay. So you can see it's added here and you need to authorize it. So let me click this authorize. Now it's connected. You can just pin this cloud icon here by following this way. Okay. We'll close all of these stuff. Now we'll have to do a important setting in Cloud AI. So from Cloud AI, you will go to your profile, then click settings. Now you will move to this Cloud in Chrome. Here, by default, you will see it's turned off. Make it enable. And here you will see default, but don't choose it to block. Choose allow all site, or if you block all site, here you can add your website list by clicking here. I will make it by default allow all sites. And now you are ready. You will come to the website of noakuri.com, and here you will simply click this plugin icon, Claude plugin. You can see it's open side by side. We'll click understand. We'll click next for a few times. And now here you will see the chat interface. What you will do? Simply you will upload your resume by clicking add files or photos. Let me upload my resume and I will just prompt something like this. Based on my profile, search active jobs for me that are posted in the last 7 days. I will just prompt something like this. And right now, if I just click this send or start tasks, it will start working. Look, at first, the Claude analyzes my resume and then this extension browse Nuakuri and search job for me. Look, it will happen within a few seconds. Well, see, Claude automatically browsing this site. It's just clicking this job that is available in Mumbai and then open another pages. See, it's filtering. It's actually filtering for last 7 days. Within a few seconds, you will see it's filter all the jobs available in the last 7 days. Also filter experience and other stuff. And this is handy. You don't have to do all of this stuff manually. You just upload your resume and say what you need. Then Claude handle all the other stuff for searching job and give you the perfect list of job you should apply. You can see the mouse icon is here. That means it's actually analyzing the job. And now these on. So you can see after analyzing all of this, it's give me the best fit. So here are the experience range 0 to 4 years. And all the jobs I can apply right now is available with the link here. You can simply pick any of it and go to the job list. So by clicking here, or you can see open the link, so it's open a new tab and you can apply the job, or you can back here and choose any of these job. All of these job are fit with me, and look how easy it is to get find jobs for you.